Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Global English Academy, where learning feels easy and natural. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's so nice to be here. Hi, Emily. How are you today?
I'm doing really well, thank you. And you? You look cheerful today.
I am cheerful. I'm excited about today's topic.
Oh, yes, it's a very practical topic, really useful.
Exactly. But before we begin, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button and share our podcast with your friends. It helps us so much.
It really does. Okay, Emily, are you ready?
I'm ready. What's our topic today?
Today's topic is Tell Me About Yourself.
Ah, such a common question. People ask it everywhere.
Yes, in a new class, in a job interview, or when you meet a new neighbor.
True, and many learners feel nervous about answering.
Exactly. So today, we'll make it simple and fun.
That sounds great. So who starts, you or me?
How about you start, Emily? Tell me about yourself.
All right, let me try. Where should I begin?
Start with the easy one. What's your name?
My name is Emily, Emily. Nice to meet you, Paul.
Nice to meet you too, Emily. My name is Paul.
Perfect. Next question, where are you from?
Good one. I'm from Australia.
Australia, wow. I'm from England.
England, that's wonderful. Do you live in a big city?
I live in London, a very big city. Busy, noisy, but full of life. And you?
I live in a small coastal town. Quiet, peaceful, by the sea. I love it.
That's beautiful. City life and seaside life, very different.
Yes. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment. It's small but bright and cozy.
Nice. I live in a house with a little balcony facing the ocean.
That sounds amazing.
Okay, so we have name, place, and home. What's next?
How about age? I'm 26 years old. And you?
I'm 30 years old.
A good age.
Thank you. Now for the big question. What do you do?
I'm a student. I study photography. I love taking pictures of people and places.
Photography? That's incredible. Very creative.
Thank you. What about you, Paul?
I'm a tour guide. I show visitors around my town and teach them about history.
A tour guide. That sounds exciting. You must meet many people.
Yes, I do. It's never boring.
So we have student and tour guide. A good team for this podcast.
Exactly. Now let's talk about family. Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have two sisters, Anna and Lily.
Are they older or younger?
Anna is older, Lily is younger. What about you?
I have one brother. His name is James. He's younger than me.
That's nice. What does James do?
He studies engineering. He loves building things.
Very smart. What about your parents?
My mother is a nurse. My father is a fisherman.
A fisherman. That's wonderful.
Yes, he brings home fresh fish all the time.
You're lucky. My mother is a librarian, and my father is an architect.
Wow, books and buildings. Very interesting.
Thank you. Now let's talk about pets. Do you have any?
Yes, I have a parrot. His name is Kiwi.
A parrot. That's amazing. What color is he?
Green and yellow. He talks a little too.
That's so fun. I have a rabbit. Her name is Daisy.
A rabbit. Cute. What does she look like?
She's white with long ears, very gentle and quiet.
A rabbit and a parrot. That's perfect.
Yes. Now let's talk about favorite things. What's your favorite food?
Oh, hard question. I love sushi.
Sushi, delicious. I love it too. My favorite is curry.
Curry. Spicy and flavorful. Great choice.
Thank you. What about favorite color?
My favorite color is orange, like the sunset.
Beautiful. Mine is purple, like lavender flowers.
Nice. What about favorite animal?
Easy. My favorite animal is a horse.
A horse. Strong and graceful. My favorite is a dolphin.
Dolphins are so smart. Good choice.
Thank you.
Let's move on to hobbies. What do you do for fun, Paul?
I have a few hobbies. I love surfing. The sea is close to my house, so I go surfing every weekend.
Surfing, that sounds adventurous.
It is. I also like playing the guitar. Music helps me relax.
Wonderful. What kind of songs do you play?
Mostly old folk songs. Sometimes pop music, too. What about you, Emily?
My hobbies are photography, of course, and cooking. I love trying new recipes.
Cooking. That's a great hobby. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I like making pancakes, sweet and simple.
Delicious. I wish I could try your pancakes one day.
Maybe one day, yes.
Do you like watching movies, Emily?
Yes, very much. My favorite movies are documentaries. I like learning real stories.
That's cool. I enjoy action movies. They are exciting and fast.
Action and documentary, two very different styles.
True. That's what makes this fun.
Let's talk about what we don't like. It's just as important.
Okay. For food, I don't like mushrooms.
Mushrooms? Really? I love mushrooms.
I know, but the texture is strange for me.
I understand. For me, I don't like bitter food. Bitter melon, for example.
Oh, yes. That's not easy to enjoy.
And what about activities you don't like?
I don't like cleaning the house. It takes too long.
I agree. I also don't like crowded buses. Too noisy, too hot.
Yes, that's uncomfortable.
So, telling about yourself includes likes and dislikes.
Exactly. For example, hi, my name is Paul. I'm a tour guide. I like surfing and sushi, but I don't like mushrooms.
Perfect. Or, hi, I'm Emily. I'm a student. I love rabbits and pancakes, but I don't like bitter food.
Simple, clear, and friendly.
Yes, that's the secret.
And you don't have to say everything at once.
True. Just choose a few details for the situation.
If you're in class, say your name, your country, and maybe your favorite subject.
Exactly. If you're at a party, you can say your hobby or favorite music.
That way, people can ask questions and start a conversation.
For example, if I say I love cooking, someone might ask, what do you cook?
Yes, and then you share more.
It all starts with tell me about yourself.
Right. It's not a scary question. It's an invitation.
An invitation to connect.
I really enjoyed learning more about you today, Emily.
Me too, Paul. I learned you're a tour guide who loves surfing, orange sunsets, sushi, and you have a talking parrot named Kiwi.
And I learned you're a photography student who loves purple flowers, pancakes, and you have a gentle rabbit named Daisy.
That was a wonderful exchange.
Yes, and I hope it helps our listeners feel confident to talk about themselves.
I hope so too. Remember, keep your sentences short and friendly.
And don't forget to smile.
A smile makes everything easier.
That's true.
Well, our time is almost up today.
Wow, time passes quickly when you're enjoying yourself.
It really does. This was a great chat.
Yes, and before we say goodbye, we have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to Global English Academy and give us a thumbs up.
Yes, it really helps more learners find us.
And please share this episode with your friends.
We want to help as many people as possible.
For our question of the day, we want you to practice.
Go to the comments and write about yourself.
Yes, you can write, my name is, I am from, my favorite food is.
Or I love, don't like, anything you want to share.
We would love to read your answers.
Yes, it will be so much fun.
Thank you all for listening today.
Thank you, everyone. Stay safe and keep practicing.
We'll be back soon with another fun episode.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Paul.
Bye, Emily.